Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 2x2 cable pattern. So let's get to it. To make a 2x2 cable pattern, you're going to need 2 double-pronged transfer tools and a latch tool. After knitting 6 rows, bring forward 4 needles into E position. Place the stitches from the needles onto the transfer tools. Move over the right transfer tool onto the empty needles and move over the other transfer tool onto the empty needle to complete the crossing of the cable. To accentuate the cable from the stockinette stitch side, I like to reform the stitches on each side of it into a reverse stockinette stitch. It creates a nice little frame around the cable. And if you're not familiar on how to do this, you can go to my channel and look at one of the tutorial on ribbing. To ease the tension on the first pass of the carriage after crossing the stitches, bring the needles into E position and knit 6 rows. Bring forward your cable needles, transfer the stitches from the needles onto the transfer tool, and move 2 stitches over on each side. Complete the crossing. Bring forward your cable needles in E position to ease the tension and knit 6 more rows. Bring forward your needles and knit 6 more rows. This is what our 2x2 cable pattern looks like from the stockinette stitch side, and as I mentioned earlier, by reforming 1 stitch on each side of the cable into a reverse stockinette stitch, it really helps the cable stand out from the stockinette stitch background. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you would like to see more, you can click on the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.